It looks like we got here just in time.
Can you look after Panda? Watch me, Gran Gran.
Oh.
I did it!
Woohoo! Well done, Jojo.
Gran Gran, I think the weather forecast was right. It's raining. The big slide is too wet and slippery now.
I think it's time for my Gran Gran plan. When the weather forecast said it was going to rain, I packed your wellies and raincoat.
Thanks, Gran Gran.
So now we can have fun, whatever the weather, and splash in big puddles.
This plant here will grow bushy red flowers. And this plant here will grow itsy-bitsy blue flowers.
What about that plant?
Ah,
A trumpet flower!
good choice, Jojo. This daffodil plant will grow a yellow flower.
Thanks, Jared.
Thank you, Jared.
Make sure you take good care of it.
Hi, Cynthia.
Hello, Cynthia.
Oh, good morning, Jojo, Gran Gran. Oh, what have you got there?
Jared gave it to me. I'm going to grow my own flower.
How lovely. A daffodil too. Just like my flowers.
Will my flower look like yours, Cynthia?
Well, if you take good care of it, I'm sure it will.
Maybe Cynthia can give you some flower growing tips.
Of course. It's very simple, really. A plant needs lots of sunlight to grow. And plenty of water. And if you take good care of it, you'll soon have a yellow daffodil flower.
Just like yours?
Just like mine.
Thanks, Cynthia. We'll take good care of this plant. Won't we, Panda? Look orange, Gran Gran.
Ah, from a distance they do, Jojo. But look closely.
Whoa! Orange, red, yellow,
and green. Oh, that's why autumn is my favourite time of year. I love how colourful the trees look.
We need an orange leaf first. How How can we collect the orange leaf all the way up there, Gran Gran? It's too high.
We can't collect leaves that haven't fallen from the trees yet, Jojo.
Then how will we collect any leaves for our nature tick book? Huh? Jared!
Oh, hey, Jojo! Gran Gran! I wish these trees would stop dropping their leaves everywhere. As soon as I sweep them up, more fall. Huh?
We're going to collect leaves in all different colours to finish our nature tick book.
But we can't collect leaves that haven't fallen from the trees yet.
But you can collect leaves that have fallen, right?
Mm-hmm.
How about this leaf?
An orange leaf! It looks just like the orange leaf in my nature tick book. Thanks, Jared!
Come on, Jojo. Let's get to the park. We have lots of other colourful leaves to find.
Bye, Jared!
See you later, Jared.
Bye!
Gran Gran, this tree has fallen down.
I think it must have fallen down in a storm.
Oh.
Sometimes, if the wind is really strong, it can pull down even the biggest of trees. But when old trees fall down, it creates space for new trees to grow.
Like this little one here. Look, Panda. It's as tall as me. Where could all the seeds be hiding?
Let's have a look over here.
Good idea, Gran Gran. Oh! Oops. What's this?
You found it!
It's the last seed. So this must be a beech tree. Why is it so spiky?
Well, the spiky case is there to protect it.
Oh.
And now we've found the seed from a beech tree. Shall we help it grow?
Yes, please. There. Finished. One day, this seed will grow into a big tree, Panda.
Seeds take many, many years to grow into big trees, Jojo.
But I think it's worth the wait. Look.
Ooh.
Gran Gran, who makes the weather forecast? Is it magic?
No. Scientists called meteorologists predict what the weather will be like. Ologists.
Meteorologists. Jared!
Hey, Jojo! Gran Gran!
Yay!
Where are you two off to?
We're going to the park, and I'm going down the big slide.
But the weather forecast says it's going to rain later, so we need to get a wiggle on.
But.
That's why I'm selling umbrellas today. Hey!
Wow!
Would you like one? Whoa!
Oh, thanks, Jared. But I've got a plan.
Of course you have, Gran Gran.
It's getting cloudy, Jojo. If we want to get to the park before it rains, we need to get a...
Wiggle on! Bye, Jared!
Bye, Jared.
Bye! Ah!
Jojo. Hello, Gran Gran. Where are you two off to today?
We're going to the playground.
To slide down the big slide.
Oh, the big slide.
Oh, but we have to get a wiggle on. But.
If we pop this stick next to your plant, we can measure how much it has grown. And if we draw a new line every week, we can see how much your plant is growing.
And we'll keep looking after it, just like Cynthia said.
Jojo!
A flower! Jared! Jared!
Jojo!
Come on, Jared! I've got something to show you. Cynthia!
Oh, what's all this?
I need to show you something.
Uh-huh.
My plant has grown a flower!
Awesome, Jojo. It looks just like a trumpet.
And you must have been taking really good care of it too.
Gran Gran, look! A red leaf. Huh?
Hello, Cynthia.
Hi!
Yay!
Yes, well done, Jojo.
Thanks, Gran Gran. Now we need a yellow leaf and a green leaf. Gran Gran, can you push me up high on the swings, please? Maybe we can see a yellow leaf from up there. Whee!
What can you see, Jojo?
Orange. Red. Yellow! Got it. One yellow leaf. Now we just need a green leaf. No green leaves here. Or here. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen so many trees, Gran Gran.
All different shapes, sizes and colours.
But I can't see if they're the ones in my nature tip book. I'm too small to see. What's that?
This is an acorn. It's the seed of an oak tree. Every tree has different leaves, but every tree also has different seeds.
So instead of looking up at the trees, we could look down and find the seeds.
Good idea, Jojo.
butterfly. Oh, you're not a butterfly.
Oh, do you know what this is, Jojo?
It's not in my nature tick book.
This is a caterpillar.
Hello, little caterpillar.
Finding this caterpillar means, in a way, we've almost found a butterfly.
Almost found a butterfly? What do you mean, Gran Gran? This little caterpillar is nothing like a butterfly. It's little and furry, and it doesn't have wings.
That's true, but one day, this furry little caterpillar will change into a butterfly with beautiful, colourful wings.
Really? This little caterpillar will change into a butterfly?
It's amazing. A caterpillar hatches from a tiny egg. Then the caterpillar eats and eats until it's ready to change.
Into a butterfly?
Not yet. It needs a bit more time. Once the caterpillar has eaten enough, it hangs upside down and changes into a chrysalis.
Ooh, it looks like a leaf, Gran Gran.
It does, doesn't it? The caterpillar stays that way for a long time as it changes into a
Butterfly!
with beautiful, colourful wings.
Wow, that's amazing.
We'll buy all the vegetables for our soup from Jared's shop. He's usually got a good selection.
Oh, hello there, Jojo. Hi, Gran Gran. I'm just off to the allotment. It's where I grow my vegetables.
Grow your vegetables? We're going to Jerry's shop to buy our vegetables.
Well, before those vegetables arrive in Jared's shop, they have to be grown somewhere, Jojo.
And harvested.
Harvested?
Yes, when a vegetable's grown and ready to eat, it can be dug up or picked or gathered. It's called harvesting.
Ooh.
You know, if you'd ever like to visit my allotment, I'm always looking for volunteers. As long as you're ready to do some digging.
Oh, thanks, Cynthia. We'll keep that in mind.
Bye, Cynthia.
Bye!
Jerry!
Hey, Jojo, Gran Gran.
Hello, Jared. Oh, are you closed today?
Yeah, sorry guys. I have to close the shop early today. There's a burst pipe in the shop floor. There's water everywhere.
Oh, no. Oh, I hope it's not too bad.
Put it this way, Gran Gran. I wish I had some armbands and a rubber duck.
But how will we buy our vegetables now, Gran Gran?
I think it's time for a Gran Gran plan.
Oh, hello again, Jojo, Gran Gran. Welcome to the allotment.
Can we help you harvest? Please?
Oh, of course. You've brought a trowel. And you have a sack.
Uh-huh.
What vegetables do you need?
We're making callaloo soup, so we need...
Sweet potatoes, onions, and a sprig of...
time!
It was a cold winter morning. The trees were bare and the air was frosty. And Jojo and Gran Gran, that's me, were in the park.
Gran Gran, look! On my nature tick book.
That's a robin, Jojo.
Robins are my favourite birds, Gran Gran. I really like their red tummies. Ooh. Bye, Robin! What's your favourite bird, Gran Gran?
My favourite birds are swallows.
I've never seen a swallow before, Gran Gran.
Oh, they're beautiful, Jojo. And you know you've spotted one if you see its forked tail. See?
Let's try and spot a swallow panda. Come on, Gran Gran. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Jackson. I can't find a swallow anywhere, Gran Gran. I've looked in the sky, I've looked in the trees. I've even looked over the bridge.
Oh, we won't see a swallow today, Jojo, because they all fly away in the winter.
We need to fill the rooms with different materials. I know that ladybirds like straw. Bees like nooks and crannies.
Aha!
Oh, that bamboo will do nicely, Gran Gran. And beetles like dry leaves.
I know where we can find dry leaves. Ta-da!
Oh, this is the best bug hotel I've ever seen.
Where are all the insects?
Oh, they're all still busy in the garden, Jojo.
Oh, but it looks like our first visitor has just arrived.
The ladybird. And it's chosen the straw room.
It could take a while for the other insects to check in, but when they're ready, the bug hotel will start to get very busy indeed.
Ooh. The bug hotel still looks empty.
Take a closer look, Jojo.
Oh, good morning, Beetle. Welcome to our bug hotel. So now the swallows don't need to go away for winter. They can have a holiday here.
Oh, Jojo, this is really very beautiful. But the swallows will still find it too chilly out here.
I know. It's much warmer in Gran Gran's kitchen, Panda. The swallows can come in here.
Birds migrate for other reasons too, Jojo.
Oh,
They might look for more food or somewhere safe to lay their eggs. Why don't we keep your holiday until the swallows come back in spring? They can enjoy it then.
but that's ages away.
Jojo, I think it's time for a Gran Gran plan. You'll need your nature tick book, Jojo. Now, you wait here while I carry this bird food outside. We all need to be very quiet and very still, okay?
Okay.
Look there, Jojo.
Whoa! There are so many birds, Gran Gran. And there's my favourite, Robin.
Swallows fly to warmer countries in the winter, but lots of birds stay here all year round. So until the swallows come back in the spring, we can spot lots of different birds in the garden.
The ladybird's back. Where's the ladybird going now, Gran Gran?
Ooh, ladybirds are also busy in the garden, Jojo.
Are all the insects in the garden busy?
Oh, yes. Ladybirds eat pests on the plants. Bees collect nectar from the flowers. And beetles stay busy eating old bark and dry leaves.
And I thought we were busy in the garden, Panda.
Shall we move these leaves now?
Good idea, Gran Gran.
Do we really have to move these leaves? The insects really like them.
I don't think they can stay here, Jojo. Unless...
I think it's time for a Gran Gran plan.
we could use things from the recycling pile to build a bug hotel. What do you think, Cynthia?
Oh, I think that's a fantastic idea, Gran Gran. I've always wanted to build a bug hotel.
What's a bug hotel?
Well, a bug hotel is a safe place for insects and other garden creatures to visit and stay.
We've got everything we need to get started.
Old bricks.
Broken flower pots.
Wooden pallets.
And Panda's found some tiles for the roof.
Has everybody got their magnifying glasses and nature tick books?
Yes! We have.
Oh, excellent! Because today we're going to use them to be nature detectives.
Yes!
And look for animals that are hard to spot.
Oh, like that caterpillar hiding over there.
What caterpillar?
Exactly, Isaiah. You can't see it because it's camouflaged in these leaves.
What's camouflaged?
Camouflage is when something has a colour or a pattern that helps it blend in with its surroundings.
I can see it. Oh, yeah. It's very hairy.
I think we can tick the caterpillar off our list. Now, nature detectives, who's ready to find some more hard-to-spot animals?
We are!